Two of the biggest flagship phones of 2026 are here, and the question many people are asking is simple. Which one is better, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Both phones are premium, powerful, and packed with features, but they are made for different types of users. After comparing the key areas, the answer depends on what matters most to you. Let's start with design and build quality. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a lightweight aluminum frame, which makes it easier to hold for long periods. That lighter feel can be a big advantage if you use your phone all day. However, the large camera module on the back causes a slight wobble when placed on a flat table. The iPhone 17 Pro Max takes a different approach. It feels heavier and more solid, thanks to its titanium edges. It gives off a more premium and luxury feel in the hand. Its camera layout is also more stable, so there is no wobble when resting on a surface. If you like lighter phones, Samsung wins here. If you prefer a premium feel, Apple has the edge. Now let's talk about the display. Samsung has always been strong in screen technology, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra continues that trend. It features a bright QHD+ display with vivid colors and customization options. You can adjust the screen to match your preference, and it even includes a privacy feature that helps in public places. The iPhone 17 Pro Max also has an excellent display. It offers true tone for more natural colors and strong outdoor brightness, making it easy to see under sunlight. Apple's Dynamic Island adds useful functions, but it does take up a small part of the screen. Samsung is better for people who love display settings and bold visuals, while Apple focuses on balance and outdoor visibility. Performance is another major category. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is excellent for multitasking. Features like split screen and pop-up windows make it perfect for power users. You can run multiple apps at once and get more done quickly. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is all about smoothness and speed. Animations feel polished, gaming performance is strong, and the system feels consistent in everyday use. App launches may be slightly slower than Samsung in some cases, but the overall experience is refined. If productivity matters most, Samsung leads. If you want smooth daily performance in gaming, Apple is a strong choice. Next is the camera system. Samsung gives users advanced tools like Horizon Lock and LUT support for cinematic video work. Its photos look clean and natural without too much sharpening. That makes it great for people who enjoy photography and editing. Apple, on the other hand, shines in simplicity and social media use. The front camera is stronger, shutter speed is fast, and photos often have warm, realistic tones. If you just want to point and shoot with great results, the iPhone is excellent. Samsung is better for creators, while Apple is better for instant sharing and casual users. Battery life and charging show another clear difference. The Galaxy S26 Ultra charges faster, which is useful if you are always busy and need quick top-ups during the day. The iPhone 17 Pro Max offers longer battery life and can last up to 2 days with moderate use. Samsung wins on charging speed, Apple wins on endurance. Software and ecosystem are important too. Samsung's One UI 8.5 offers deep customization and many features. You can change layouts, setting, and enjoy more flexibility. It works well with other Galaxy devices, but Apple still leads in ecosystem smoothness. The iPhone 17 Pro Max connects effortlessly with MacBooks, Apple Watches, AirPods, and iPads. Everything works together with less effort. Apple is also known for long software support, which helps your phone stay updated for years. If you want freedom and customization, choose Samsung. If you want everything connected easily, choose Apple. For security, Samsung gives you two options: fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Apple uses Face ID only, but it remains one of the best and most reliable systems available. Some users will prefer Samsung's flexibility, while others will love Apple's simplicity. Finally, extra features. The Galaxy S26 Ultra includes the S Pen, which is a huge bonus for note-taking, drawing, and productivity. Combined with strong multitasking tools, it becomes a true work device. Apple keeps things simple and polished, but it does not match Samsung's productivity tools yet. So, is there a clear winner? Not really. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the better phone for power users, creators, multitaskers, and people who want more features. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is the better choice for users who want long battery life, a premium feel, seamless ecosystem support, and a polished experience. In the end, the best phone is the one that fits your lifestyle.